guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are making oxtail stew, also known as pidgeot stew. So let's get started. I have freshly washed my oxtail, which is also pidgeot. I'm going to add natural seasoning into this, and then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of hot chili pepper into this because I want it spicy. And then I'm going to add this ginger and garlic blended, which has been frozen in my freezer. And then I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of cow seasoning and then 2 tablespoons of salt. I'm going to move this around and then add about 1 cup of water to it and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. I'm going to cover it and let it marinate, and then after 30 minutes I'm going ahead to add extra cup of water into this, and onto the fire it goes. This is going to cook for about 15 minutes to an hour because you need your meat to be perfectly cooked or else it will be hard, like, trust me. So this is my meat on fire, and after some few minutes this was what I had, and then I saw that it was cooking perfectly. This was about 20 minutes into cooking, and then you could see that it was coming along, but I wanted it a little on the softer side, so I gave it another 30 minutes to cook. Yeah, you want it to be soft because pidgeot, they are not adding kaka, so I'm a like, it's difficult to chew. Exactly. So after 50 minutes actually, this is what I have. It's perfectly cooked, so it's time for me to start with my stew. So in a pan I'm just going to add some oil. Like, this oil depends on you, like how much oil you like. So I added some oil, and then I'm going to add some chopped onions into it. I didn't cut my onions slightly, like it was a little bit chunky. That's how I wanted it. I wanted to see the onions in the stew after it was prepared. Sorry guys. So yeah, I'm going ahead to add my blended pepper into this onion after the onion turned a little bit translucent. So I'm going to give this a stir and allow it to simmer for some few minutes or till the water is completely drained out of it. And after that, this is what I have. It's perfectly cooked. The water is completely drained. I'm going ahead to stir so that I do not burn my stew. And thank you all for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. You guys are the real MVPs. So into this, I'm going to add a whole pack of Tasty Tom tomato paste. Let me check the grams and I'll tell you. The funny story, the thing is in kilograms, but it reads 1.1 kilograms. So do the math and see, but it's, I think, the largest size of the Tasty Tom tomato paste in the sachet. So that's it. I'm just going to give this a little stir and allow it to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes while stirring continuously. And after that, I'm just going ahead to add just 1 cup of water into my stew. We're preparing stew, not soup. I don't know why people make their stew so liquidy. I'm attacking somebody personal. The person knows. Okay, so I'm going ahead to give this a stir and let it simmer for some time. At this point now, I see to shimmy. So I had to cover it. So after some time, I added 1 Maggi cube into this and then stirred it and allowed it to simmer for some time. And exciting news, guys, I created a new YouTube channel. Yay! So it's geared towards more of lifestyle content, like vlogs and a whole lot. So if you want to know more about me personally, you can subscribe to that channel and let's grow together. So I'll leave a link in the description box of this particular video. Please do also check it out and subscribe for more content. Thank you. So after stirring it, I'm just going ahead. At this point, you can see that my stew is really coming along. It's perfectly cooking, so it's almost done. I didn't need to tushi me say. So at this point, I'm just going to add my meat, including the stock that came along with it. And look at that, like, it's so perfect. Everything was perfectly cooked. Like, at this point, like, your stew is already done. I'm just going ahead to stir. Say, yeah, and I'm no a baby a benya stew, you get it. So this particular stew, like, just a little bit of it goes a long way because it's steak. Like, you do not need a lot of it. So at this point, my stew is done. Like, you're basically done with your stew. Anyways, thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of the video. Please do well to like this video and leave a comment for me, and please subscribe to my new channel at Life with Shirley. I'll leave the link in the description box. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.